I am the chef, Chef YoBoy Hadley. If you think we're gonna cook something salty, like. If you think we're gonna cook something sweet, subscribe. I am the chef, Chef YoBoy Hadley. Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Instead of French toast, we're making Lintz Toast. You need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, and croissants. I prefer some sweet almond milk for some sweet toast. Ha ha! 2 eggs? Oh boy, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Sugar. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar, but 1 cup will get you right. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Ooh, yeah. Salt. Sweet and savory. Ha-ha, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And croissants, let's go. Hey, dip it. Dip it real good. Make sure you subscribe to the Yo Hadley Show. Let's wrap it up and take it to the fridge. 5 to 10 minutes, we'll have those croissants fully soaked. Let's go. Keep your heat at medium low, and I used avocado cooking oil. And that's the sound of music.
Sizzle, sizzle.
I am the chef. And listen to that sizzle. Yeah. Ooh, nice and golden brown. Wow. And if you want to turn it up a notch, let's add some toppings. Powdered sugar and raspberries. Mmm. Let's get it. This is one of Lintz's favorite dishes, so I named it Lintz Toast. Well, kiddos, Chef YoBoy Hadley just finished Lintz Toast. Now, who wants to be a test taster?
I'll be your test taster.
I'll be a test taster.
Hey, I'm NorthStar.
What's up, NorthStar?
I'll be your test taster.
Thanks, Chef. You made Lintz Toast. Let's get it. Well. It's your boy, Chef YoBoy Hadley, and thanks for whipping it up with us. Till next time, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up.